Yo, what up, y'all? Tight shirt, Terry Wolf, but I'm back for another video. Hey, remember to be thankful for your life today because you did not have to have that. I'm here at the beach with my Mavic 3 Pro. Oh my, I love this freaking drone. I put up my initial impressions video about 2 weeks ago. You can go check that out up there. This is my absolute favorite drone that I've tested of all time. It really is an amazing drone, but I do think DJI could do a few things to really take it up to that next notch. So that's what we're gonna talk about in this video. What could DJI do differently with the Mavic 3 Pro to turn it into a truly untouchable drone? It's already great, but what could they do to make it untouchable? Let's get it. All right, let's go ahead and take to the skies with Darkwing. Let's go, bye Darkwing. See you later. Get away from me so they can hear. All right, I wanna stress again how much I love this thing. Like, I'm not exaggerating, y'all. It's really a fantastic drone. The updates that they made, like enabling pro mode and all of the cameras, the improvements to the 7X camera, the 3X camera is crazy. I really love this drone combined with all of the stuff that was already dope about the Mavic 3 and the Mavic 3 Classic. I think my biggest issue with the Mavic 3 Pro is just the lack of consistency when it comes to color spaces or color profiles across the 3 cameras. So like, the main 24 megapixel camera, you can shoot in D-Log, you can shoot a D-Log M and HLG. But then when you go up to the 3X camera, you can only shoot in D-Log M and HLG. And then when you go to the 7X camera, you can only shoot in normal color profile. And that to me does not make sense. I'm sure that this is all firmware stuff. And again, at the time of making this video, that's how it stands. But I would love to see a consistent color profile across all 3 cameras, because honestly, it makes it a headache to color grade and match all your footage and stuff when you switch it back and forth between cameras. It is one of them things that really, in my opinion, ruins the usability of the Mavic 3 Pro because nothing's consistent. The next thing that I really dislike about the Mavic 3 Pro, why is there no way to adjust on any of the cameras the amount of noise reduction, right? Why can't we adjust in-camera sharpening? I should be able to dial in my noise reduction and my sharpening across all 3 cameras if I want to, because it's a professional drone. I need complete control over my footage, and the fact that I'm not able to change those things, to me, is again a huge miss. Now again, this is all firmware stuff. I'm not asking DJI to slap a whole different camera module on the freaking thing, but these are the firmware updates that we need. You know, the other thing, and this is not necessarily a problem, but it just is what it is. Because the Mavic 3 Pro has a heavier camera system, that pushes it into C2 territory and not C1. So it effectively almost cancels out some people in some regions because of the weight class. And the other thing that I really wish that could change about the Mavic 3 Pro, and this may be a processing limitation, I don't know. I wish that active track could work in 5.1K. And again, it could be a processing limitation. If I think about some of DJI's other drones who don't do like the Air 2S, it won't do active track in 5.3K. So it could just be a matter of processing power and capability. But still, it would be dope if we could get active track on the main camera. The 7X camera, I kind of understand, even though you can do like spotlight and stuff with the 7X camera, it will be very difficult for the Mavic 3 Pro to do all that onboard processing to track something at 166 millimeters. So that one I understand. I just wish it was available on the main camera. Now at the time of recording, there is no SDK out yet for the Mavic 3 Pro, which makes sense. I mean, it just came out. And my last biggest thing that I really want DJI to work on with the Mavic 3 Pro is how laggy it is with the RC controller. Now, I don't have the RC Pro, so I don't know about the RC Pro, but I will tell you, I got other drones from DJI that use the RC controller, and all of those are like mad fast and mad fluid. And for some reason with the Mavic 3 Pro, this controller is so laggy, even just switching back and forth between ISO and shutter speed, especially when you go between the different cameras if you're not in explore mode. Yo, I've missed a shot a few times just waiting on the settings to switch over. So I'll probably miss some things. I mean, the Mavic 3 was already a great drone as is, and the improvements are great. And again, I'm not trying to bash the Mavic 3 Pro. In my opinion, it's the best drone out there right now that you could buy until you go, like, you know, up to the Inspire 3 and all that stuff. So it's really a fantastic drone. This is not a diss video on DJI or the Mavic 3 Pro at all, but it could use some updates. All of these things are firmware updates that if I'm a pro user requires pro level control across everything. Not pro over here, but not pro this. Like, it's small things like that I feel like DJI really needs to work on. But anyways, again, the Mavic 3 Pro is fantastic. My favorite feature about it is absolutely the 3X camera. The 7X is improved also. But those are my thoughts. So I'm curious to know what y'all think. Until next time, I'm out of here. Tight Shirt Terry Warfield. Piece of chicken grease, I'm out. Bye.